Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be changing the cabin air filter on this 2005 Toyota Camry. Thanks for joining me. Today I've got my stepson's 2005 Toyota Camry in the garage, and I will be showing you how to change the cabin air filter. So let's go ahead and get started. So the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. So to get to that, you drop that. There's a Phillips head screw right there. And so I need to remove the screw. And then once I get that screw removed, then I will be able to pull the glove box out and access that cabin air filter. Okay, so with the glove box out, the cabin air filter is located up here. So I'll slide this out just to take a look at it. And the frame of that filter just slides out. And we'll take a look at it. Again, it's not terrible. It could be replaced, but that will be up to my stepson if he wants to replace that or not. Just slide that back up in here, and then put the glove box back in. So I'll go ahead and put this back in. All right. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.